see anyone? I think they're after Wu! Crazy fuck! Oh shit! Stay with me!
Come on, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，而且成為呈堂證供，你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week, 下個禮拜 OK? OK?
點解你同我講埋呢啲嘢啊？唔掂咁樣出嚟行啦
It's Jackie for more prosperity, man.
Oh shit, Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Wait, Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. Still getting used to...
Yeah. So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces.
It's wild the paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful.